Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the balanced, under reinforced and over reinforced sections. Suppose this is a section of beam, this is our effective depth, this is the reinforcement which is provided in the beam, and this is the concrete portions. There may be three conditions: balanced, under reinforced and over reinforced. Let's discuss about one by one. First of all, balanced sections. Okay, in these sections, strain in concrete and strain in steel reaches to its maximum permissible value at the same time. Maximum permissible value of steel is 0.87 Fy by Es plus 0.002, and maximum permissible value of concrete is 0.0035. This is the strain profile of the sections. Okay, so maximum permissible value of concrete is 0.0035 and maximum permissible value of steel is 0.87 Fy by Es plus 0.002. E is the modulus of elasticity of steel, which is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per millimeter square, and Fy is the yield value of steel. Okay, the depth of neutral axis in these portions is called critical neutral axis or limiting neutral axis, XU lim. At these portions is in compressions and this portion is in tension. Okay, this portion is in compressions and this portion is in tensions. At neutral axis there is neither compressions nor tension. Okay, so the first point is strain in concrete and strain in steel reaches to its permissible value at same time. Depth of neutral axis, second point is depth of neutral axis and limiting value of neutral axis or critical value of neutral axis is same in case of balanced sections. Okay, let's come to the under reinforced sections. This is under reinforced. In case of under reinforced sections, less amount of steel is provided that require in a sections. Okay, minimum quantity of steel is provided, but somehow less amount of steel is provided which is need in the sections. So what happened in this case? The permissible value of steel reaches the strain in steel reaches to its maximum permissible value earlier than the concrete. So these portions strain is less than 0.0035, but these portions, what happened, this portion is equal to 0.87 Fy by Es plus 0.002. Okay, so maximum strain in steel reaches to its permissible value earlier than strain in concrete, so the section will fail. So in case of under reinforced sections, we can what we get, এক strain in concrete is less than strain in concrete permissible. Concrete did not reaches to its permissible value. Okay, but strain in steel is greater than equal to strain permissible value. So what happened in this case? Neutral axis shifts to the upper portions. Okay, this is the limiting neutral axis. This is limiting neutral axis, but in this case neutral axis shifted here. This is the actual position of neutral axis. So x actual is less than x limiting. Okay, the positive thing in this case that we get an alarm of failure. Okay, it means whenever the beam starts to fail, okay, the failure will be ductile. The failure will be ductile, so that we get some time to repair it, or we get some time to repair it. Okay, and we can escape from the building safely. We get an alarm. Okay, let's clear this thing. What happened and this section is called over reinforced. In this case, steel provided in the sections is much more than steel actually required in these sections. Okay, so what happened in this case? Concrete reaches to its max permissible value earlier. Okay, but steel does not reaches to its maximum permissible value. So as concrete is a brittle material, this failure is sudden. Okay, and this type of sections is avoided in case of design, and neutral axis shifted to the lower portions. Okay, so what we get in case of over reinforced sections? That depth of neutral axis is greater than limiting. Concrete reaches to its permissible value earlier, so strain in concrete permissible, that is greater than equal to 0.0035. Failure is sudden, and this type of sections is avoided. So this type of sections is avoided. So this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe.